What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Matic, currently sitting at 83 cents, up 5.02 on the day. Sitting a market cap of 7.17 billion, 24-hour volume 444 million. Lucky number 444. Let's hop into the charts. So potentially what we're looking at is overshooting wave B, exaggerated ABC correction, putting in that wave 4. So we can count a 5-wave move where we come down in a wave 1, wave 2, potential wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Now what we may be looking at is we're starting to push up. This is a bullish scenario, and we put in basically a 1, 2, 1, 2, looking for that wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to complete. Oh, sorry guys. To complete the wave 1 of the larger wave 5. That's the really bullish scenarios that we see continuation to the upside from here. And the bearish scenario is that we're yet to complete the 5-wave move down, and we're still looking to come down. We're coming down to wave 1, wave 2. This is your wave 3, and this may all be a corrective wave 4, and still looking for a final wave 5 to the downside. But the wave 4 cannot retrace more than the 0.5 at 67 cents. And for confirmation that we are going to start to break out to the upside, what you would want to see here is we start to break this level of resistance where we've basically put in like a triple, quadruple bottom here. We break this level of resistance, we hold it as support at about 83 cents, and then see continuation to the upside for our friend Matic. Now, if we hop over to our next chart, I still think the bearish scenario is more likely, where this is an overextended wave 4, and we're still looking for a wave 5 to the downside. However, if we do complete the 5-wave move, the 5-wave structure to the upside, there's a higher, definitely a much higher chance that the bottom is in for Matic, and that what we'd be looking at here is a larger wave 2 pullback, where we've completed a large wave 1 to the upside. We see a wave 2, and then boom. Definitely a possibility. Really depends on how deep Bitcoin goes before it finds a bottom. I don't think the bottom is in yet, but let's say Bitcoin only goes to 16.5. What you may see is Matic just puts in a wave 2 pullback. Complete the wave 1 to the upside, see a wave 2, and then boom, push up in that wave 3. If we look at our next chart here, we have broken out of this descending channel. Potential head and shoulders, but it's not pretty here. Here's a left shoulder, potential head. So potentially we could push up and put in a right shoulder. So do watch that pattern. As I mentioned, I'm not much of a patterns trader, but I do use it as confluence. But it does seem we are creating a strong level of support. Where we found support back here, we have some resistance here, and we do have support in this area. So right now we're just consolidating. You could also see this as a bear flag. So really all you're waiting to see is for this support and resistance to be broken. And whichever is broken could give you a bigger signal of where price is going to go. If we did break down from a bear flag, that's when Matic could come all the way back down to about 54 cents. All right, guys. So just a quick little update. Personally, I would wait for this trend line to be broken before entering a long. Or sometimes what I like to do is I'll set multiple entries. So I might have set one at 83 cents, set one at 74, set one at 67, or one at 83, one at 67, with a stop loss below the yellow box, because this is a maximum retracement of a wave 4. But I'm being very, very cautious right now as a trader. It's not really the best time to trade when there's so much uncertainty for BTC. But of course, not financial advice. Do your own thing. We'll have to see what happens here. But we have met our wave 4 retracement zone. So if we can come up and break this trend line at 83 cents, hold this support, you could start to push to the upside. But if we simply get rejected and we go lower, all that means is that we haven't completed the 5 waves within the wave 4. Wave 1, wave 2, potential wave 3, wave 4 pullback, wave 5 to the downside. It could already be complete. Depends if we come up and break that trend line. That's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, where you can get my exact entries, exits, and take profits at the $10 membership. For my leverage trades and for my spot trades, it's only $10 a month, and you also have access to over 10,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link. If you want to trade with me, check out my full link tutorial on Bybit. That is the platform to do all my trading. Highly recommend it. $4,500 in bonuses over there, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.